Hi there, today we are at South Lytchett Caravan and Camping Park and we are going to show you around and see what this site has to offer. And welcome to the latest campsite tour, and we are visiting South Lytchett Manor Caravan and Camping Park, located west of Bournemouth and not far from the Jurassic Coast. The roads approaching the campground are decent roads with cycle paths, but still easily enough for bigger vans. And we actually approached via a smaller road, but there was still no problems in navigating and getting into the campsites. Let's start as we always do with a site walk. So here we are at one end of the campground and we are just going to head towards where we've pitched up for the night. And a quick stop here to show you one of the all grass camp areas, which is predominantly tent camping. We are going to continue around the hard standing pitches until we reach our camp van on the left, just up here. But before we do, on the left here is the amenities block where the toilet, showers and everything else. On the right here, some small glamping pods or like caravan type pods to rent out. And we're going to move on, and here is our van on the left. So we are now just at the back of the amenities block where we go through this hedge area to see some more hard standing and potentially superior pitches. Just going to go for a little walk, see what the campsite's like. Just up here to where the play park is. See, these are nice pictures with their hedges on. Look, these are really nice pictures. Yeah, they must be a superior picture of some kind because they're loads of room. Really nice, those ones. So we've now come back out on the main loop, so our camper van is down there and we're going to head round this way to reception and to the park. Have a look at the park first, which I think is, I can see it's over there. So we are now heading towards reception, and the play park is situated just behind the reception block. So yet another little area where the play park is, so let's check.
There's two basically.
See what that's like now.
Two is a football pitch.
Is there two? Where's the football pitch?
It's over there.
Oh yeah, there's a playing field and a play park. Let's have a look. But real quick, before we show you the play park, there are a couple of other field areas which are perfect for tent camping or grass pitches if you want to take your camper van onto a grass pitch. and the play park is definitely suited to the more younger children. The older ones may be entertained for a while, but it's definitely a more younger orientated play park. And let's check out the amenities block. First up, the showers, toilet area, and pretty typical of a campsite. Functional, relatively modern, and everything you really need to get you through your stay here at South Lytchett Manor. There is the usual motorhome service point. And a rather clean and tidy chemical waste disposal area. Plus an area for your grey waste, but not your chemical toilet, so take note. As for the washing up areas, here is the outside washing up area with drainers. And this is the inside washing up area, great for those winter nights when it's a bit colder. And there's a laundry area as well. 2 washers, 2 dryers, perfect. And here is the rubbish area where you can dispose of your waste, rubbish and recycling, lots of bins, which is just what you need. And before we finish and give you our summary, here is the reception area with a shop which has all the essentials, and there's also a small cafe area where you can get coffees and pastries, and we did try both and they were both pretty good, so well worth giving those a try. Nothing in the trees. Do you like any of these, Max? Well, there's ones up here, look. There's, I don't know what they are. Okay, so that is our little tour of South Lytchett Manor Caravan and Camping Park. What I liked about it was the pictures were good. There's lots of hard standing and lots of grass. There's a lot of areas where you could get together if you wanted to. Seen some families set up next to each other.
Also, over there's some like little huts.
Oh yes, yeah, they're like shepherd's huts, aren't they? Like
red.
Little old sort of fashioned caravan type yurts, and they're quite nice as well. Showers are okay. Water pressure's not that powerful, but warm enough in there. Little shop at the reception that you've seen, which sells bakery goods and essentials if you've forgotten anything, which is also the reception area. And there's a playing field and a play park, which Max is probably better qualified to talk about. What do you think of those?
I think it's amazing, but the only thing was the play park. I can't say it.
Play park.
The play park was so there were 2 spin cities, and I went on both of them, and after that I felt a bit sick. That's the thing.
But it was more for little children, I think, wasn't it? There wasn't really any big climbing frames, but the playing field was good. It had a little goal in there, loads of space for picnics and that. There is 3 dog walking areas, I think.
Oh yeah, and also at the shop, if you didn't see, there's a new type of marshmallows. That's just £1. Just £1. It's called Chamallows.
Sit back down, buddy.
They are marshmallows.
They're nice. Yeah, so there's dogs have to be kept on lead. There is one field I think where they can run without a lead. but the play areas obviously are just walking around the park, they have to be on a lead, but there's lots of open spaces for the children to run around, that's for sure. So anything else you want to add, Max?
3.5 star rating.
Is that what you give it?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
3.5.
Okay, out of 5?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I think I'll give it that, about 3.5, 4. Little pub down the road which we went to last night. But yeah, so that is our review of or our sort of tour of South Lytchett Caravan and Camping Club. If you want to see any more reviews, don't forget to click where Max's face was. And we'll see you.
Click it.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
And subscribe.